Hey guys, this video is on how to clean out a slow draining sink. So first thing I want to do is just go with the least invasive, the easiest, without taking anything apart. Just going to give this a try. This thing's designed to go down in there and grab hair and that kind of stuff. See, that's already helping. Run this down there. So I can hear it even start to drain better now. Just go and pull all that stuff out. You might want to get rubber gloves if this totally grosses you out. Try and snake that down there as much as possible. That's going to work really well. Yeah, see, this thing's doing its job. Goes down and just kind of grabs everything like a fishhook barb almost. But that's already drained better. I'm going to keep cleaning that off of there. I'm going to just running that down there until it drains smooth. Oh yeah, that's already better. I'm liking that. That off of there. Hey, that fixed the problem. Very happy about that. Keep running that thing down until it comes out clean. You can see it's draining real nice now, how it's supposed to. But you know, you're gonna get this kind of stuff. That's normal. I know it's gross, but that is part of also plumbing. Just try it. Thanks for watching.